First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range, oh, a brand new range, oh.
Welcome back to the Rohan Aru's Xplore Mindz podcast. Today we are talking about a topic that keeps many of us up at night: safety. In the past, school safety mostly means fire drills. But today, it's much more complicated. It's about the messages they receive on their phones and the security of the buildings they walk into every morning. It can feel scary. But the goal of today's episode is not to add to your anxiety. It's to give you a plan. We're going to talk about how to protect our children from cyberbullying and how to navigate the very real fears about school security. For us, bullying usually stopped when the school bell rang. We went home and our house was a safe zone. But for our kids, the bullying follows them into their bedrooms, through their phones. It's constant. Cyberbullying is often invisible to parents because they are not bruised knees or torn shirts. But the emotional bruises are real. The best way to protect your child is not just to check their phone, it's to make sure they know that nothing they see or hear online is more important than their safety at home. If they are being bullied, they need to know that telling you will not result in their phone being taken away, which is the first reason kids stay silent. We need to be their safe harbor. Let's talk about the harder part: physical safety in schools. It's a reality that today's students have to participate in lockdown drills. This can create a constant hum of background anxiety for both the student and the parent. How do we handle this without living in fear? We focus on empowerment over fear. Talk to your child about their school safety plans in a calm, matter-of-fact way. Ask them, do you feel safe at school? Is there anyone at school you'll feel comfortable talking to you if you saw something strange? Safety is not just about locks on doors. It's about a community where kids feel comfortable speaking up. At the end of the day, the most powerful security system in the world is a child who talks to their parents. If a child feels they can come to you with anything, a weird text message, a rumor they heard at lunch, or just a telling that something is not right, you are ahead of the game. We need to build a non-judgment zone. Let your kids know that even if they made a mistake online or got into a bad situation, your first priority is always their safety, not their punishment. When kids feel safe with us, they are much safer in the world. We can't control everything in the world, but we can control how safe and supported our children feel in our own homes. Thanks for joining me for this important conversation. Next week, we are tackling another important topic: the new success, resilience, adaptability, and the future of work. I'm Rohan Aru, and I'll see you in our next episode. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.
First things first, Xplore Mindz is here to make a change. Healthy lives, clean air, a brand new range, oh, a brand new range, oh.